Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Pavan Kalyan fans get ready for four treats. Today, September 2nd, it happens to be the birthday of Pavan Kalyan, the man who is adored and worshipped as power star by his fans. Not just one or two, but actually four different treats are lined up for fans on the eve of Pavan's birthday. Firstly, we have the motion poster of Akil Saab coming up, and apart from the hero's look, it is Thaman's background score that is going to haunt the fans. And then there is this pre-look of #PSPK27, a film by director Krish Jagalmudi that will be coming up. Tentatively titled Virupaksha, the makers might reveal the title as well, but for now, update is that a pre-look is on cards. Then comes Pawan's next #PSPK28, a film by his Gabbar Singh director Hari Shankar. An official poster of this film will be coming out on the eve of Pawan's birthday, which is also confirmed by the director. JEE held at 52 centers in Andhra under strict COVID-19 guidelines. Invigilators wear PPEs. The joint entrance examination JEE Mains for admission to IITs commenced in 52 centers across Andhra Pradesh on Tuesday morning. The exam, which was postponed earlier, is now being held following the directions of the Supreme Court. In Andhra Pradesh, as many as 82,748 candidates are appearing for the exam, and elaborate arrangements were made at all the 52 centers. Andhra Pradesh reports over 10,000 COVID cases for 7th day in a row. Death toll crosses 4,000. Andhra Pradesh on Tuesday reported 10,368 new COVID-19 cases, making it the record 7th consecutive day of reporting over 10,000 cases a day. Early last month, Andhra had reported over 10,000 cases daily for 5 days in a row till August 9. The latest count pushes the state's tally to 4,45,139, which includes 1,01,210 active cases, making it retain India's second largest position in COVID-19 cases after Maharashtra. Telangana University degree final year exams from September 15th. Telangana University will be conducting degree final year exams from 15th September to 30th September according to the UGC guidelines and Supreme Court verdict, said TU Registrar Professor Naseem. On Tuesday, newly appointed Controller of Examinations Dr. Path Nagarjuna conducted video conference with degree college principals through Zoom application, in which TU Registrar Professor Naseem attended as chief guest to this conference. Integrated Land Survey in Andhra Pradesh from January 1. The government has decided to initiate an integrated land survey across the state from January 1, 2021. The survey, which will cover both rural and urban areas, is aimed at clearing disputes and other litigations over boundaries and ownership. This would be the second integrated survey in the country after 1930 and the first since independence. Centre abdicating responsibility on GST compensation to states, says KCR, expressing serious displeasure over the modalities for meeting the shortfall in the goods and services tax GST compensation payable to states. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao on Tuesday told Prime Minister Narendra Modi the centre is abdicating its responsibility of fully compensating states by taking recourse to legal opinion. The centre has violated the provisions of GST Act by parking the surpluses in the consolidated fund instead of parking them in the non-lapsable compensation fund in the public account and using the surpluses for meeting its expenditure in the years 2017-18 and 2018-19. Now that there is a deficit, states are being asked to borrow. KTR pitches for innovation in student outreach programs. IT and Industries Minister K.T. Rama Rao on Tuesday asked the Telangana State Innovation Cell TSIC team to plan more outreach programs aimed at school-going kids. He said that the culture of innovation should be fostered from an young age. He also suggested Jayesh Ranjan to coordinate with the State Education Department to introduce a course credit system for students who work on innovation and startup-related subjects. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share, and subscribe Pine Times.